my boys. Yeah, I already got y'all. I got y'all sign down there. How big they get?
Be big then.
Okay.
At least put them probably 30 feet apart. At least 30 feet apart.
30 feet apart. Y'all bag up the roof or?
Yes, sir. We put them in a bag. I want you to plant them till see the top root right here.
Yeah.
The dirt right here at the top root. Put the dirt right at the top root.
Okay.
Don't go over that top root.
Okay.
Or they'll be too deep and he'll fall over. So you want to plant them shallow. So right here, if it rains and you still see that top root out of the ground, that's good, that's fine.
If that time started playing, you already know at that time, boy. Putting that food out here, you feel me? Pecan trees, you feel me? We got 5 of them. Oconees, you feel me? Ready to get desired, you feel me? Got the pecan orchard mans out here. We got 1 and 2. You feel what I'm saying? Don't get the boot. You feel me? So, I'm just digging the holes up. We already dug some off camera. All right.
We got what? 2 more holes to dig?
Yeah, we got that one and the one in the front.
Can you get the rake and let the leaves back like that?
And if you're dropping the leaves in the hole, I'll get them out of there, please.
You already dropped one in there, babe. Yeah, just rake the leaves from the hole.
My other feet.
It's right here, baby.
I'm blind.
Right here.
Woo, there we go. Ooh, salt. Moist.
You better wipe.
Pecan tree.
What you doing, son?
The house.
Pecan tree, people.
All right, we got one more.
We got one more. Come on, try.
All right, y'all, we're going to the other location in the front yard. We marked the spot where we gotta dig this hole.
Right here lays the golden egg. This here put my tip on. Listen here, player. Like that video, subscribe on it. Hey, stop playing with her. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, we black homesteaders. Let's get it.
I bet we did that.
Yeah. Y'all heard little man. He got the plan.
Yeah, I got the plan.
He's trying to clean the street. What's outside?
All we just need to do is get the pecan tree, and then cover the hole back up.
It's kind of pretty.
Hey, these some little things we found on the property. Ain't
This is our backyard. It might look like our front yard.
This is the front yard.
I put you in the hole for real. You feel me? Get your TI on. You know what I'm saying? We about to bury this expedition.
Look at this massive tree, y'all.
It didn't fell
Look,
by the storm.
family and other little tree, brush trees started
Grew
growing
off of it. Let's go get these
We gotta
trees up.
get that moving. All right, so I don't put no dirt.
See that root right there? You want it right here. Put him down in there, but you want your level right here. And she in there.
Oh, come on. All right, can you? I know you can. No, don't put no more in the baby. It's full. You put some in there. Can you turn it off? Turn it off, King. All right.
It's filling back up because we pull back them leaves. See how black that dirt is, people?
Got a lot of roots already in there, don't it?
Baby Ruth.
Warm.
Oh, that's good. That don't look big at all. Sure, you gotta get that one out the water with you.
It ain't made about 10K, nigga. That how it ain't fish, nigga. See.
I'm getting in my bag, that's a big influence. You reaching for my bag, you can't get to it. Stacking up my money, call it Lego. Living color bills like pesos. Saving all my money like the Migos. Taking care of my family, that's royal. Drip in gold, can't do fake. My smile so big, no toothache. My family so big, don't do twins. Callin' on me, you better dial in. My reach ain't long, you know I'm closing in. Close to my goal, you better tap in. The Zanya family on YouTube. Trying to be on the field like Mayweather. Being 10 toes got me stepping better. Who ain't worth them drumming, getting colder. Keep my head on swivel like hot weather. Get advance on your life and help you do better. Get a queen on your side, then you be a palace. Set your dream up together, then you grow together.
And then your window seems dirty.
It's gonna rain. King, bring the cutter.
Wait. Okay, you going. Oh, let me get a water.
It's easy to carry.
Come on, Goldie. Let's go. Come on.
And we need water.
It's a water source, ain't it?
I think it's coming all the way from our tank.
No, I know because that dirt right there is kind of sorry, like muddy, like.
Ugh. That looks like poop. Sorry, poop. That looks like salty poop.
Put him in there. Put him in there.
Can you start looking?
It's like poop. It's like
Tight.
it smells like poop in the
That one I already broke right there. Maybe it might mend itself in there.
It's supposed to be right here now, but here.
I ain't going off that one.
Just stick it in there. I don't think but dirt all the way at the bottom of that.
Situation.
Yeah, it's in there.
It ain't made about 10K, nigga. That how it ain't fish, nigga.
What's that? There it is. You see what I'm saying? I don't just cut trees, I grow them. You dig? Your boy. Captain Morgan. Hey, my bad, baby. Hey, listen here. This your player partner. You feel what I'm saying? Captain Morgan. We want to thank y'all for tuning in to the channel. Y'all seen, we told you, we plant pecan trees. Pecan pie, anybody? That, you feel me? Let me know, pecan jam, holla at your boy. Pecan rice, you already know it, it's nice. You dig? Hey, but what I want y'all to do, share this video, like it, subscribe, tell a friend. Hey, that we homesteading. You dig?